Nice little rainbow. Yeah, look at that. Oh, that's a king salmon. Oh, look at that. Now that's what's up. Hey, what's up, everybody? I am back here at the lake. You know, my last outing here, I lost a big fish. So nothing like losing a big fish. Makes me want to come back even more. See if I can get some redemption. So I'm out here in the afternoon. Nobody's out here again. So I'm going to see if I can go back and hook another fish. And hopefully I don't lose this one. But, you know, it's a lesson learned. Things happen. But the fish got the best of me. Lost my lure and lost my dodgers. So I got some new setup. And I'm going to head on out. The water level has gotten a little bit lower than last time here. Maybe a couple of feet. But like I said, when you lose a fish, at least for me, it makes me want to come back and try again. So I'm going to launch my boat, get my gear set up, and I'll see you in the water. Wish me luck. All right, guys, back in the water. Like I said, I'm back here wanting to catch more fish since I lost a big one. Gives me motivation. Today, I'm on my old net. It's a little lighter. The holes are a little bit bigger, but a little easier for me to use and manipulate. So I'm gonna see if I could have better luck netting a bigger fish with this net. So this is a little different. Oh, fish on! Fish on! Afternoon fish again. All right, I don't want to lose this fish. See if I can net him. Going under the boat. Yeah! Woo, yeah! It's going under the boat. Yeah! Woo, yeah! Oh, yeah, baby. Redemption! Probably not as quite as big as the other one, but this net is easier to manipulate. Hold on, bud. All right. The red lure, guys. It's like a nice king salmon. Could be a kokanee, but it looks like a king salmon. Whew! Not as big as the other one. All right, heading back in, guys. Got a little bit of redemption. Caught another king salmon. It's not I don't think it was as big as the other one that I lost. It didn't put up a whole lot of fight, but still a good size. You know, still make the dinner table. But anyway, I'm glad to come out here and catch some fish. Like I said, nothing like losing a fish that makes me want to go back and try to catch another one. And I was able to do that. Afternoon, when the weather is cold, I guess I have to come out in the afternoon. All right, until next time, guys. That's what's up. Here, guys, it's a nice sunset view. Folsom Lake. Sun just went down there. Nice red sky. So beautiful out here. Like I said, I caught a king salmon. A little bit of a redemption. Packed all my gear. I'm gonna head on home. All right. See you guys next time.